Today I'm going to show you how to replace the turn signal control on a Chevy HHR. With a short handle screwdriver, remove the two Phillips screws located in the surround above the instrument cluster. Once the two screws have been removed, take a small flat screwdriver and pry up the bottom edge of the cluster surround molding. You can now remove the molding. On the bottom of the steering column, there are three 9/32 hex head screws. Remove all three screws. Now pry apart the upper and lower halves of the steering column surround trim. At the top and bottom of the turn signal controller, there are two release clips. Pry both clips with a small screwdriver and remove the entire controller. There are two electrical connectors attached to the signal controller. Each connector has a retaining device to lock it in place. You push in on the squarish connector and pry out on the narrower connector to release them. Take your new signal controller and press in the electrical connectors. Reinsert the turn signal control unit into the steering column and flip out the upper and lower lock mechanisms. Test the signals to ensure the new controller works properly. Reassemble the clamshell moldings over the steering column. The moldings can be a little tricky, and it may help to have the steering column height adjustment lever unlocked. Reinstall the three hex head screws on the bottom steering column molding to hold it in place. Reinstall the instrument cluster surround molding. Note that there are plastic pins on each side that must line up with holes in the dash. The surround molding will hold up to a little twisting and turning to get it into position. Once in position, snap in the bottom of the molding to secure it. Reinstall the two upper Phillips screws in the cluster surround molding. And this completes the project. If this video was helpful, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.